Alrighty everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we'll be taking a look at a Western digital drive that just died on me somehow. So I'm probably going to take this thing apart and I'm going to run some diagnostics and I'm going to basically try and see what the problem is. If I can't figure out what the problem is, I'm going to send it off to somewhere else. But I'm just going to give it a try myself and let's see what happens. Alright everyone, so now let's get into doing the drive and taking it apart to see what's actually the problem. So first things first, I'm going to grab obviously one of my pry tools. This is made out of plastic and it's very useful. Let's pick two here. I don't know if I need any tweezers. And 64-bit screwdriver kit. So first things first, let's pop the back off. So let me focus. Okay, there we go. Damn, this thing is scratched, like real scratched. God, this is hard. This is weird as well. Right. This is weird and hard. Just gonna pop this up a little bit. Still can't get anything. Jeez. It's weird. Great, I snapped the tool. Yay. Well, this gives me access point. So I can pull in this pry tool and pull everything up. Yep, let's go. Alright, done. Coming apart, come on. We can do this. Alright, done. So inside we have the 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte blue by Western Digital. So this is what it looks like, and yeah. So let's take the front cover off and see what it's up to. Alright, first things first, I might want to grab a screwdriver with a Torx head. So let's try T5. Try this one first, see how this works. Oh great, I selected the correct one. Let's go. So let's take this out. Let's take this out. Let's take this one out. Let's take this one out. Why is this so tight? Right, now let's just take these three out and access the inside. So that aside. Alright, now I think there would be one screw inside here, but you just have to go ahead and scratch for it. I think it's right here. So just grab a little scratch and you'll find the screw. Alright, so now what you want to do is, you see these stickers here, all you got to do is push them away because these ones also have screws underneath them, so just unscrew these. peel these stickers away, and then you can unscrew these. So it includes the one under this sticker as well, so you gotta remove this as well. So right over here. Just remove this first. Okay, that's one in. That's another one. That's another one. And that's another one. There are a lot more, so I'm going to have to peel this sticker away. Right, there's one over here. Let's peel that away. There are so many hidden screws in this drive, and I nearly lost one of my screws. Alright, I think there's one more over here. Let's peel this away. Do you ever peel? No, that's just a hole. Alright, I feel like okay, so now let's take this whole thing apart. Alright, right now I don't see any problem with the drive, so I'm gonna take a look at this and I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and tested this thing many ways because the head and the platter, the head was not moving onto the platter itself, so I couldn't actually get it to read. So that's probably the question here, because I can't actually force this thing on today because this thing is just, I feel like it's dead now. So that's my answer now. I'm probably going to send it off, but I'm also going to have another double check myself. But let's assemble this thing back into the enclosure itself. Alright, this thing is now in case, and let's pack up. Okay everyone, that's the conclusion. So this thing is, I would say it's dead, but I'm gonna send it off to somewhere else, I don't know where, and they're gonna take a look at this drive. And yeah, I have a ton of stuff on this thing, and it's all my YouTube stuff, all in this little drive right here. So I wish I could get all my stuff back, but until I get it fixed, or until we can find out the problem, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got a new SSD that I can use, but I have to restart on all my clips, so it's gonna be a while before I probably upload again. So yeah, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and take care.